Interests of the nation, we therefore commit that we shall, number one, negotiate in good faith and genuinely seek a just outcome for all Kenyans. Secondly, seek solutions that address the rights and interests of all Kenyans now and in the future. And thirdly, uphold and promote integrity, transparency, and accountability throughout the dialogue process. And number four, ensure respect for the Constitution and the rule of law. Number five, we undertake to regularly and honestly update the people of Kenya on the developments throughout this process. And then number six, respect and uphold the dignity of all our participants and Kenyans in the dialogue. We shall not negotiate, and this is important for us, for any form of power sharing with the Kenya Kwanza Alliance or put any personal interest ahead of the interests of our people. Fellow Kenyans, we ask for your continued prayers and support so that we may find a lasting solution to the challenges that bedevil our nation. May God bless Kenya. Asanteni sana. Now, yes, thank you so much, Eugene. Our delegation comprises Mheshimiwa Eugene Wamalo, leader of a political party DAP, Mheshimiwa Opio Wandai, a minority leader in the National Assembly. I'm quite sure all of you know these leaders. Nobody should pretend they're getting introduced to anybody. Amina Mnyazi, she does represent a continuous approach to this because she was in the bipartisan talks, a member from Kilifi, Malindi, Senator, Senior Counsel, Kongo Umgeni, and we have, of course, our backup teams at the back there. We say this is opening, so people are free to come. So we have Mheshimiwa Mwango Area there. Mheshimiwa Kioni heads our technical team. We have there our other friends, Professor Olo, Adams Olo, and of course, Wajakoya is sitting out there. He said we can open this up. He's here. But should we decide, by the way, to have an inaugural session where we can invite our international friends, I'm quite sure it will be a bigger forum, or other Kenyans, so that because I'm sure that Kenyans are really following this process. Mheshimiwa Mwango Area, I think I did mention, Wajakoya, and my brother Zain, a former member of IALA, is also in our backup teams. And I think I saw a few other younger people. They're standing up there. You get to introduce as we move on. Okongo and Rodney and others. So over to you, my dear sister.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. The honorable members here present and the media, good morning. No, good afternoon. I'm here to represent our team leader, the Honorable Kimani Ichung'wah, who unfortunately got held up in Nyeri, and due to the bad weather he couldn't get to fly in time, but is now airborne. We expect that he should be here shortly. And I will start by first introducing the team from Kenya Kwanza, and I would prefer that they introduce themselves. Please, Senator, start with you.
My name is Aaron Cheriot, Senator for Kericho and Majority Leader of the Senate.
Hassan Omar, a Member of Parliament Yala, and also the Vice Chair of the UDA party.
My name is Catherine Wambilianga, County MP Bungoma, and also the Chair Bungoma County, Port Kenya.
Thank you. I'm Cecily Mbarire. I am the Governor for Embu County, and I'm also the National Chair of the UDA party, and a member of this team from Kenya Kwanza. I don't have a speech like my friend and colleague, Honorable Kalonzo Musyoka, but I'll just say that we are here as the Kenya Kwanza team because we know that our country is more important than any one of us. And we've been sent here by the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, to come and sit with our brothers to find a solution to the issues that are being brought on the table. We come here in good faith. We come here putting the interests of the people of Kenya first. We come here determined to look for long-lasting solutions for our great country, Kenya. We as a country, I think we've had our challenges in the past, and we've taken peace very, very seriously. And in those moments where we were called upon to sit and talk and look for solutions, we've done that. We believe that even now we'll be able to get the solutions that are required to move our nation forward and to maintain the peace that we so dearly need for the prosperity of our nation. I also believe, and we believe as a team, that the issues before us are issues that can be discussed and solutions found. And that we are able, as a nation, to come up with our own local solutions to our issues because we are called upon as leaders to do so. And therefore, we want to promise the Azimio team that we are here to discuss the issues as we shall raise them. We will take this process very, very seriously, and our President has directed that we do so, and that we'll continue to consult both within here and outside in order that we can come up with long-lasting solutions. I want to believe that each one of us is here for open and fair dialogue, and that we shall be led by our commitment to the common interest of the people of Kenya and not personal interest. And so we look forward to a truly consultative process, a fair dialogue led by the interest of the people of Kenya, and more importantly, guided by our mutual trust from both sides, and guided by our constitution and the laws of Kenya. So we look forward to a great session today and in the future, and we hope that we can be able to seek solutions in the quickest way possible so that our country can continue to move forward. Thank you very much, and we are happy to be part of this process.
Excuse me, Chair. You forgot to introduce our backup team at the back here.
We do have honorable members. Please stand up, Kamket, introduce yourselves. Please just say your names.
Yeah, my name is William Kamket, member of Parliament for Tiati, and we are here not as backup, but we have issues that we want to. I think we are here as friends of these talks. We have issues
Very well.
that we want to present to you.
Very well. Thank you. Thank you.
We are here with an issue at an appropriate time guided by the chair with the request to present this committee.
Thank you.
My name is Oku Kaunya, Parliament for Personal, and we are here in this.
Thank you.
As friends.
As friends.
Thank you.
My name is Abdi, Member of Parliament for Ija. I'm here as a king with Messi, Papas.
Thank you.
And I think there's a member from Mwingi on your side.
Yeah.
Thank you. Now, we want to suggest that part of the reason we're all here is because Kenyans have shed blood. And because of that, we are here. And we wanted then to, as happened, I think, in Parliament, I want to ask all of us to be upstanding and observe a moment's silence. Thank you.
To excuse us so that we can and then maybe those who are not members of the committee is part of the committee.
We ask the media can now leave us so that we can do it preliminary issues. Other members who are not part of the negotiating team. Thank you for introducing yourselves as as friends, but you're all Kenyans. Kaunya, I never run away from the fact you are Kenyan.
Haya nĩ mĩario ĩrĩa ĩrakĩambĩrĩria mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ gĩmaine mwena wa mũng'ethanĩro oro ũndũ ũmwe na thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza marakĩambĩrĩria mĩario mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ nĩtwakĩona mĩena yerĩ Kimani Ichung'wa ũrĩa ũbatiĩ gũkorwo agĩtongoria mwena wa Kenya Kwanza ndekinyĩtie thĩinĩ wa gĩikaro kĩu no nĩ akiuga nĩ ũhoro ũkĩgiĩ kana gavana wa Embu nĩ akiuga atĩ rĩera nĩrĩo rĩgĩthũkire na kuoguo ndanakĩhota kũmbũka kuma kũrĩa mwena wa Nyĩrĩ kũrĩa President William Ruto aragĩthiĩ na mbere na icera rĩa gĩcigo kĩa Mount Kenya gũkũ thĩinĩ wa gĩcigo gĩkĩ kĩa Mount Kenya nĩ mĩario ĩtanyĩtwo gũkorwo ĩkĩambĩrĩria mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ na no tũgũthiĩ na mbere tũgĩkũmenyithagia ũrĩa maũndũ mau megũthiĩ na mbere makĩhanĩkaga. Haya Twambe tũmũrĩke riboti ĩngĩ na andũ atano rĩu marahonia nguraro cia rithathi thĩinĩ wa thibitarĩ wa Mama Lucy gũkũ kaunti-inĩ ya Nairobi na nĩ thutha wa ndathũkanĩrio ya mĩcinga na ĩrĩa yeyumĩririe gatagatĩ ka maabitha a borithi na ekina itũũra-inĩ rĩa Dandora. Kũringana na kamanda wa borithi thĩinĩ wa gĩcigo gĩa Kamukunji Francis Ngugi, borithi nĩ mahithũkĩtie thimũ 5 cia wĩici na ningĩ eranĩra atĩ nĩ megũthiĩ na mbere na kũhũra mĩriũngo nĩgetha kũhĩtana na ekina acio.
Gĩcanjama na ndathũkanĩrio ya mĩcinga ĩrĩa yumĩririe gatagatĩ-inĩ ka maabitha a borithi na mbatũni ya Nyanake mwena wa Dandora kaunti-inĩ ya Nairobi thutha wa maabitha aya gwĩkũĩra kũrarĩ na wĩkinaĩ ũratabanagio kĩnyuĩro-inĩ kĩmwe kĩa maguta. Kũringana na kamanda wa borithi gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa Kamukunji Francis Ngugi, maabitha a borithi marahũraga mũriũngo na thutha wa kũhobanĩria ekinaĩ acio kũragĩa na ndathũkanĩrio ya mĩcinga, ũndũ ũrĩa ũracũngĩrĩirie andũ atano kũgĩa na nguraro.
Hali ya kutaka kuchallenge hao ndio wasimame, mmoja wao akatoa bunduki, ikalazimisha askari wetu kutoa bunduki na piga mmoja wao. Acio atano arĩa nĩ hamwe na mwĩkũĩrwo wa wĩkinaĩ mathiĩte na mbere na kũhonia nguraro thibitarĩ-inĩ wa Mama Lucy, kamanda agĩkinyĩrĩria atĩ no megũthiĩ na mbere na kũhĩtana na ekinaĩ arĩa makoretwo makinyamaria mũingĩ. Kwa bahati mbaya katika ile kukabiliana kuna watu kadhaa waliumia, walijeruhiwa na risasi na sofa tuko na record ya watu 5. Naomba tu tupewe nafasi ichunguzwe ijulikane kitu gani kinaendelea. Ona kũrĩ ũguo mũingĩ mwena ũyũ nĩ ũcakaĩte na kuga honge cia ũgitĩri itinakorwo na ũigĩrĩrĩki hĩndĩ ya kũhĩtana na ekinaĩ acio, kuona amwe a arĩa maraguraririo mararĩ mĩhang'o-inĩ yao. Kazini yangu na yeye alikuwa amekalia duthi pikipiki, alikuwa anangojea mteja. Amesukia yake imempata tu hapa. Ningeomba tuone huo kijana mwenye alikuwa anaibiwa kwa sababu hiyo ni ushahidi yenye hakuna. Na kama iko tunaomba tumuone sisi sahi. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wambui wa Njũgũna.
Thegio Wambui, na tũgĩthiĩ na mbere nĩ atĩ mũtongoria wa bũrũri Ndagĩtarĩ William Ruto nĩ atanyĩtwo kũrugũria waki wa nyũmba cia raithi mwena wa Kĩanyaga gĩcigo kaunti-inĩ ya Kĩrĩnyaga ũmũthĩ nĩguo thikũ yake ya mũthia ya icera rĩa President Ruto thĩinĩ wa gĩtarũ gĩa gatagatĩ wa bũrũri, na riboti ici tũgũthiĩ na mbere tũgĩkũrehagĩra o ũrĩa ihana, no ndagĩka ĩno twambe tũthiĩ tũthikĩrĩrie mĩario ya hau kabere.
Nawatangazia mapema mchana hii ya hasla hii hiyo wasahau na wasahau. Kwa hii serikali hakuna handshake. Hii serikali hakuna nusu mkate. Kama kuna kazi imebaki ni kazi ya hawa vijana ndio tuwafanyie kazi. Si ndio? Si nyinyi kama wananchi mlimaliza kazi ya viongozi? Si tarehe 9 mlienda kupiga foleni, mkachagua MCA, mkachagua wabunge, gavana, rais, mkamaliza. Kuna yenye mlibakisha? Si mlimaliza siku moja hiyo kazi yote? Sasa kazi ya viongozi wananchi walimaliza. Hakuna tena mjadala itafanyika ati kiongozi fulani apate chochote. Ile mazungumzo iko ni vile vijana hawa tuwapangia ajira, vile mkulima mazao yake itapata soko, vile Kenya tutazalisha uchumi, vile tutafukuza umaskini, vile tutashughulika na matibabu ya wananchi, Kenya ibadilike. Ama namna gani? Mnataka tuendelee ati kuongea mambo ya saba? Ati wao sijui kiongozi gani atapata nini? Hawa watu tumewaambia mapema mchana, Kenya will never again entertain currency around violence. Violence can never be part of the currency of the political equation of the Republic of Kenya. Tumekubaliana ya kwamba mambo ya vita, kama ni mashindano, tushindane kwa mawazo, tushindane kwa mpango. Na hawa watu tuliwashinda mapema. So walikuwa wanazunguka hapa na kitendawili sijui na nini, tukawanyorosha waende nyumbani. Ama namna gani? Na wakitaka si wangojee 2027. Ndio tutawaonyesha kivumbi mara hii. Sijui kama hata watapata hata agent ya kusimamia mambo yao. Si huyu Kanini Kega ndio alikuwa anatusumbua hapa. Ndio. Si alikuwa anatusumbua hapa. Mpaka hata akatusumbua mpaka tukamuita Kanini Koru. Asema hii mtu ametusumbua sana. Lakini sasa hata Kanini Kega amekataa mambo ya kitendawili. Neguo. Tuko pamoja. Lakini sisi wote sasa ni timu moja, timu ya kushughulika na maendeleo ya Kenya. Watu wa Mohoro jameni, na wauliza tushikane, tufanye kazi hii pamoja, tubadilishe nchi yetu. And I want to give you assurance, we are going to change Kenya together. Hii Kenya tutaibadilisha kwa mpango na kwa miradi ambayo itafaidi wananchi wa taifa letu la Kenya. Na Mohoro tuko pamoja? Tutatembea pamoja? Hebu ni wale wanasema tutatembea pamoja hiyo safari. Harambee! 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 Umesikia Kanini Kega?
Aya, tukima mwena ucio wa Mohoro twabe tumurike riboti ingi, na ni ati arimi gicigo-ini kia Runyenjes kaunti-ini ya Embu ni mambiriirie kugetha maciaro mega ma irio cio cia migunda, na oni thutha wa gukorwo makiagirithia na makihuthira njira cia tene makinina njira cia tene na kwambiriria kuhuthira njira cia kiriu cia gukuria mimera iria ningi ingitirio cenjia wa riera. Arimi ni matugiritie gikundi kia uthuthuria kiegi urimi kia Global Research Organization Center thiini wa nyitaniri na ruhonge rwa uthuthuria rwa urimi wa mahiu niruo Karo, na ni undu wa kumahe mathomo megie kugacirithia urimi kuona maciaro mao ni mambitie guciara matunda.
Kuhitukira tafarira ya urimi nere kurikanite ta diversified cropping system, arimi kuma gicigo-ini kia Runyenjes kaunti-ini ya Embu ni mateithikite na mathomo maya maria mamahuthirite urimi-ini wao urio mahete umithio migunda-ini yao na kwambiriria kugetha magetha mena umithio.
So teknolojia zile ambazo tunahimiza wakati huu ni zile ambazo zitasaidia wakulima kustahimili ama kuweza kuepukana na janga hili la mabadiliko ya tabia nchi.
Kilimo yako kakuota kadogo wako katoto tulitoa kwa madha, kana kupatia mahindi yako ya kukula na mahindi ya kuuza, hata mboco ya kukula uendi kwa nduka tena.
Kuhitukira mathomo maria mamukirite rungu rwa gikundi gitari gia githirikari kiegi urimi kia Global Research Organization Center unyitaniri-ini na ruhonge rwa uthuthuria wa urimi na mahiu Kalro, arimi aya ni maugite ni mateithikite na njira itiganite cia urimi, undu uria umagacirithĩirie magetha na njira nene gukiringithanio na hau kabere.
Kutokana na hiyo ukulima tumeona mazao imekuwa ni mingi. Kwa portion kidogo tunapata mazao mingi. Kama ni upande wa mahindi, tuko na variety ile mzuri na mbegu mzuri, ndio tukasomeshwa tukapanda na tukapata mazao mingi.
Makiaria mari itora-ini ria Kirangano gicigo-ini kia Runyenjes, maabitha kuma ruhonge-ini rwa Kalro, murimi Kagete hamwe na Catherine Muriithi ni maugite arimi riu ni mataukitwo mimera mingi iria mangihanda na iria ingetiria riũa inene na gutigirira kwina irio cia kuigana mahinda-ini mari mothe.
Ni turageria ku encourage arimi meke kindu gitagwo diversification. Diversification ni mugunda waku ndugakurie mbembe theri. mugunda waku ndugakuri mboco theri geria kuhanda mboco geria kuhanda mbembe handa irigu handa mwanga handa murio ati ona mbura ngiukerenge tondu mimere no yothe ndirari kwaya fertility atiri iganaine ndirari kwaya mbura iganaine kimwe yacio kana igiri ciacio ni ga survive
njira imwe tukoretwo tugithomithia arimi uria arimi mangihota kurima technologies ngurani nigetha mahote kutuika kana marahota kwirigiriria climate change.
Arimi aria mamukirite mathomo megi urimi ni moretio kwambiriria mihang'o ya guthomithia arimi aria angi niguo nao mohigirire njira-ini itiganite ciigie urimi.
Tuonete ugaruruku na tukona arimi magire na interest muno magithomithio ni arimi aria angi na magetha ni mongererekete.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.
Na tugithii na mbere ni ati thirikari thiini wa muoroto iri na muoroto wa kuongerera magetha ma kahua kuma thiini wa tani 51,000 na iria ciragethwo gwa kahinda gaka nginyagia tani 81,000 ugikinyeria mwaka wa 2024. Kiraniro giki kiheanitwo ni mwandiki mukaru thiini wa ministry ya urimi Peter Kilemo riri nayo fegi ya cooperative ya muritwo kuheana mutambo uria urihuthikaga riu thiini wa munada wa kahua guku Nairobi. Na Kimani wa Ngojiri hena ripoti yo.
Thirikari ithiete na mbere na kwiranira kurehe mogaruruku thiini wa ruhonge rwa kahua na njira ya kugacirithia mitaratara ngurani iria umithio wayo utanyitwo gukorwo ari ni kiguni kinene kuri arimi. Omwe wa mitaratara ino ni kugacirithio kwa uria thogora ya kahua munada-ini wa kahua wa Nairobi uri tabanagio na niguo ukinyanirio undu uyu ruhonge rwa NCE riu ruri na mubango wa kurehe mutambo mweru uria utaburikanite ta DSS uria urihuthikaga hari thogora ya kahua. Na riu fegi ya cooperative ni hetwo uigirereki wa kurehe mutambo uyu riri munada uyu wa NCE urehariria kwambiriria thogora ya kahua kugerera kambuni cia arimi iria ciirigite kuheo marua ma thogora ino. Munada uyu utanyitwo kurugurio kiumia giukite. Fegi ino ya cooperative ikoretwo muhari-ini wa mbere kuhura njeki thothaiti cia kahua gitumi kiayo kuheo mweke wa kugathika mutambo uyu. Ndumiriri-ini rierekereirio thutha wa mihang'o ya kugeria uria mutambo uyu urirutaga wira. Mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya urimi Peter Kilomia augite ati kuingira kwa kambuni cia arimi thiini wa munada wa NCE ni ikinya rinene hari igeria ria thirikari kurehe mogaruruku ruhonge-ini ruru. Hamwe na uguo thirikari iratanya ati gukinyiria mwaka wa 2024 muigana wa kahua kari arimi maragetha gatanyitwo gukinya tani 81,000 kuma tani 51,000. Thirikari itanyitwo gukinyaniria muoroto uyu na njira ya kugwithia garama ya urimi wa kahua, kwarahura uthuthuria wigie kahua na kwambiririo kwa bodi ya kahua bururi-ini oro undu umwe na kurutithania wira na thirikari cia kaunti. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Ngojiri.
Na ni ndakena ni undu wa unyitaniri waku muthenya wa umuthi hau niho tugukorwo tugitirihira mohoro Gitau ni ngatho ni undu ari yothe makinyaniria mutaratara ucio wothe ukorwo gikinyanira na macio na mangi maingi ni ugukorwo kimamukira thiini wa mohoro maitu maria mekurumirira mathaa-ini ma hwaini. Nie njitagwo Gicimo tumana wa Ngui ugie na miarahuko miega.